Finally, some chow.
No.
Asparagus crostini, hemp seed quiche, goat cheese with red radicchio spread.
The hoity-toity stiffs love these tiny nibbles.
Uh-oh, gotta go.
Ugh, more like goat cheese and a red crudicchio spread.
My dear chap, what a marvelously comical witticism.
Red crudicchio spread?
Sir, you have the audacity to say what we're all thinking. You simply must join us.
Me? Okay. Red crudicchio spread.
Now you seem prepared for winter. That's one healthy layer of blubber.
Well, I never.
Sticks?
What? It was a compliment. It's not like I said she wasn't prepared for winter.
Welcome to the Awardee Awards, where we award an Awardee Award for award-winning scientists. Tonight, one of you nominees will be awarded your very own Awardee Award. That's it, I'm firing my speechwriter.
Check out that ridiculous hat.
That, sir, is the official hat of the Jackalope Lodge, of which I am president. But upon closer inspection, it does look asinine.